Welcome to our tutorial on how to import stops with manual entry using the Zeo platform. This feature allows you to enter necessary stop details directly without creating a separate file. Let's get started. Access the import feature. On the dashboard, select stops, then upload stops. Here, you have the option to upload an input file from your system, Google Drive, or manually add the stops. Prepare your manual entries. Address is mandatory. You can also include city, state, country, street, house number, PIN code, area code, latitude, longitude, driver name, stop start time, end time, duration, customer details, and parcel details. Review and confirm. Before finalizing, review the information to ensure everything is correct. Edit or adjust any details as needed. Once verified, complete the import process. Your stops will be added to your route planning list within Zeo. To learn how to create a route once stops are imported, refer to our tutorial on how to create a route after stops are imported. And that's it. You've successfully imported stops with manual entry, making route planning more efficient. Thanks for watching.